Thank you. Tonight, folks can come out to learn more about a massive expansion about to get underway on the Selmon Expressway.
We've
You're
been
very excited.
talking about this for a while. I'm pumped. But now construction is about to begin. Not so excited about the construction, though. Fox 13's Heather Healy's on the story for us. All right, Heather, what's the timeline on this? Good morning.
Well, first of all, Jen, I'm glad that you clarified because last hour you were like, I'm so excited. And I'm like, I think you're the only person that's excited about this construction. But it's a community open house tonight starting at 6:30 as construction is going to begin in the next few weeks. There's going to be a 4.5-mile expansion of the Leroy-Selmon Expressway, adding one lane in each direction of the expressway from west of Himes Avenue to east of Florida Avenue in downtown Tampa. Now, the new lanes are going to be added within the existing right-of-way, and it's a $362 million project funded through THEA's toll revenue. Wide sidewalk infrastructure will also be provided, as well as pedestrian lighting and enhancing all 14 underpasses. Greg Slater says this is what Tampa has been needing for a while and is ready to get the ball rolling.
What we're trying to do is create sections of community space in the different neighborhoods and sections that the expressway goes through and activate that space underneath of the expressway in an attempt to connect the communities on either side of it to really activate what we're seeing there.
Now, this expansion is being funded again through THEA's toll revenue. The community open house begins tonight at 6:30 at the Kate Jackson Community Center on Rome Avenue here in Tampa. It's supposed to end at 8:30. Construction will begin again in early May. It's expected to be completed in 2030, so that's great 4 years we got to look forward to. We're going to keep you updated on air and online to see what progresses, to see what happens, to see how excited Jen is and with all those 4 years. And I mean, Wally is dressed for it today. I mean, we're ready for it. I couldn't have picked a better story.
He's wearing his orange traffic cone colors.
Camouflage myself in between the cones.
All right, Heather. We'll talk to you later on. Thank you.